Let's learn how to divide the number 10 by 200 using the long division method. See that this 10 is less than 200. That is why we will need to borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And before this decimal we need to put a 0 here. Now again see that this 100 is less than 200. That is why we will again borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a 0 here. Now we know that 200 times 5 is equal to 1000. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that we have got the number 0. That is why we will stop here. Therefore, 10 divided by 200 is equal to 0.05. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also to subscribe the channel.